This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Richard Alpizar. This is it. Welcome to this immaculate 2014 Me home in the gated community of Versailles. This very popular Corina with bonus open floor plan with a 3-car garage features a downstairs master suite, kitchen family dining nook combo room, 3 more downstairs bedrooms, and a gigantic bonus room on the 2nd floor. Outdoor covered lanai is perfect for shady spot for relaxing. Plenty of room for a pool. Kitchen is stocked with stainless steel appliances, granite counters and solid wood cabinets. Master bathroom is highlighted by dual vanities, large tub and separate shower stall and a huge walk-in closet. Newer wood floors throughout the main floor. Extremely energy efficient home with double pane windows and door, R38 insulation, radiant barrier in the attic and high efficiency air conditioner and appliances. For more information, review the details below or contact Richard Alpizar at 407-406-5331.